William Shakespeare 5 famous quotes. Our doubts are traitors, and make us lose the good we oft might win, by fearing to attempt. White right pointing backhand index measure for measure, Act 1, Scene 4. It is not in the stars to hold our destiny but in ourselves. White right pointing backhand index Julius Caesar, paraphrased from Act 1, Scene 2. There is nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it so. White right pointing backhand index Hamlet, Act 2, Scene 2. The better part of valor is discretion. White right pointing backhand index Henry IV, Part 1, Act 5, Scene 4. Strong reasons make strong actions. White right pointing backhand index King John, Act 3, Scene 4. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Daily Dose.
Thank you for watching this video.